cargo moving people. We do it every day. We move the freight this country needs.
Across the USA.
Like coal and steel and automobiles, you bet we know the way. We're cargo moving people from NW Railway.
Norfolk Southern, what's your function?
Hooking up the country, helping business run. Hey! They haul everything safely and on time. They connect the factories built along the lines. We've got the goods to help give this economy a spark. Our trains, tracks, and bridges, oh, they'll get you pretty far. Norfolk Southern, what's your function? Hooking up.
The glory of the moment captures the mind and the spirit of those who come to the land of the skies. Here in the western corner of North Carolina stands a mountain in the very heart of the Blue Ridge.